We're talking hidden treasures here, and I got Brodie Sutherland. He's the CEO here of Tocvan, call sign TOC on the CSC, and we got TCVNF on the tracker side in the U.S. So, Brodie, fantastic news for the company here. Land grab around Pilar. I know you're excited. Your quote said it all. A company-changing event. So, yeah, please get into the highlights here for us.
Yeah, well, first off, thanks for having me again. You know, it's always good to reconnect with you and really support what you've been doing. And, this for us, this is a huge event. It's something that we've always wanted to accomplish. But, because it's a private landowner, it's not always easy to get things done. But, I think we've finally gotten to a place where we've got this deal. This is going to completely open up Pilar. We've always felt that we've got a significant gold-silver system there. We know that it very likely extends beyond, the boundary that we previously held. And, so that just gives Pilar its full potential in terms of how we can expand it, grow it. But also, this is an area surrounding Pilar that has never seen any exploration, especially for gold and silver. And the significance there is that, there's been a group of artisanal miners working this district for the last 3 years aggressively. And, they've gone up all the dry creek beds and basically turned everything over and they're pulling gold. There's no doubt about it. And, we see very stark evidence of that. And, obviously they're leading these, alluvial systems straight up into the hills. It's coming off of something. It's pretty apparent. And when you look at the satellite imagery, what it's coming off of looks very similar to what we see at Pilar. So, that gives us a lot of confidence. The geology matches that. It's all the same host rocks that we have at Pilar. And we couldn't be more excited to really just unlock the full potential of this district. And, that's why we feel it's a company-changing event. It really takes Pilar, again, to its full potential and just opens up this completely new area.
Yeah, kid in a candy store here, a treasure hunter, seeing some goodies. What's the attack plan here? You got to be excited. I know you've got a challenging, market conditions here. But sure, when a treasure hunter finds the goods, he's got to go get the goods. So talk about the game plan.
Yeah, the game plan with it is, a pretty subtle approach at the start. But, obviously we've got some key target areas from the old, these artisanal workings. And so kind of starting with that, building off of it, get our crews on the ground, get some sampling done, start to define what this looks like at surface, get some geophysics done to give us another layer that we can work with to try to define what these structures are doing. And then, see how quickly we can advance that towards drill targeting and start to evaluate these things. We've got a lot of work around Pilar that we continue to want to do, and we'll be doing that at the same time. But this really opens up this new area and really just trying to get these close to drill targeting as quick as possible. We've got our other project, Picacho, that we drilled for the first time last year, got those results early this year, discovered a new zone of mineralization. So we haven't forgotten about that. But there's a lot of work to do here. And really, Pilar, it's continuing to advance that towards production. We're finishing up metallurgy right now. That's going to be key towards that. We'll be doing the work to, the environmental work towards permitting for mining, and also, working with the local community to work out a deal to move forward with this. So there's going to be a lot of activity. It's an exciting time for us, and we view the market right now as it is what it is, but we're very bullish on both gold and silver, and I think we're going to be coming into a very strong market in the future here. And we're poised extremely well for that. So we're excited.
Yeah, nothing you can do about the conditions, but I'm with you there. It can't be this bad forever. So it seems like you've got everything kind of going your way to a degree. So carve out a real quick message here for a new investor taking a look here to want to, treasure hunt with Brodie Sutherland and team.
Yeah, we've got a proven team. We've been working in Sonora. Our team is built in Sonora. We've been drilling for 3 years with continued success. We've got a lot of confidence in what we're doing and what we can build. And we think that, like a lot of gold miners out there, the markets have been tough. So a lot of things are undervalued. And, we obviously view ourselves as one of those companies. But we've been doing all the right things over the last 2 years to get us ready for the upcoming stronger gold market. And, I think really what we're building here is an asset that we can produce off of, low cost, open pit, heap leachable, but huge discovery upside as well. Not only with this new acquisition, but our other project, Picacho. And we see a very bright future here. So if you're looking at the stock, please follow us, go to our website, sign up for news, follow us on social media. We'd love to keep you updated on our progress.
Yeah, I'll certainly be paying attention. Anytime you mention the word production, you certainly have my attention too. So Brodie Sutherland, there, he's the CEO of Tocvan, TOC, CSE, TCVNF, call sign here in the U.S. Brodie, appreciate that update, and certainly look forward to checking back in, and congratulations on this latest move.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate the time.